5-star world. Today, our world is divided. Today, I would only rate our world 2 out of 5 stars. We are broken and set against each other. Reach out, be strong, come together, unite as one. We can now hold hands and realize that, despite our differences, we are all the same, all equal people. If everyone saw that and acted on it, yes, I would rate that a 5-star world. It will be a journey, one with many steps. So start today. We are unstoppable together. The path to a 5-star world, it starts with you.
Back in kindergarten, I walked into the school and I would see so many flags on the walls. Back then, all I would do was marvel at all of the different colors of the flags. Now, I realized that those flags weren't there just to look good. Each flag represents a part of our diverse culture today. It wasn't just in kindergarten that I would marvel at all the colors. I would do that all the way till 2nd grade. When I was in 3rd grade, I appreciated those flags so much more. I realized how lucky we are to see so many flags on the walls. It shows that we are a community which accepts all people. No matter where they are from or what their background is, they will always be welcome. Annually, we have a multicultural assembly at my school, Jefferson Middle School, which gives everybody who has an origin outside of the United States a chance to show their pride for the country that they are from. People who have an origin inside of the United States can participate too. It shows that all people will be treated equally, and they should have pride in holding their flag. Coming from an Indian origin myself, I got to hold the flag for India. Everybody cheered for every country as loud as I could, and that was a moment when I noticed something. In several countries, people don't have this freedom. Our city, Columbia, has diversity as one of its key values, and I feel very glad about that. Another instance where I've encountered diversity is at my tennis academy. I met a boy who was from Haiti, and he was very social. We talked about our lives and our pasts. He described to me the ordeal that he had to go through before the massive earthquake hit Haiti. Despite talking about it, he was still smiling. I was wondering what made him and his family choose Columbia of all the different places. Then I realized, why not Columbia? Columbia's population is very diverse, and we welcome everybody, no matter where they came from and what their background is. In conclusion, Columbia is a very diverse and heartwarming community. Being the son of 2 immigrants, I realized how comforting this community is. I never felt out of place. Now, as a longtime citizen of Columbia, it is my duty to provide the newcomers with comfort. At school, I no longer look at the flags as mere cloth with colors on them. I see the deeper meaning.
Dire diversity. United we stand. Broken we fall and rise again. Embraced and loved we flourish and encourage others to do the same. We are connected by a red string of fate. If only Cupid's arrow would wound our hate. May we cast down our blinders and declare to the heavens all tongues as one universal song, celebrating the diversity that brings us together and sets us apart. Walls would fall, stars would shoot, rain would bow, and no one would need to part from anyone ever again. We are all a part of each other. When you pass a stranger, you are in danger of leaving someone amazing behind. When you scorn a race in cloudy haste, you are making a sad mistake. If you love your neighbor and die one day later, you will never regret a day of your life. The world is a cookie. All ingredients chip in and make it what it is. Don't put us in a box. Bring us to your lips. Hear our different voices, our agonies and bliss. Separate, we are plain, bland and often bitter, repelling each other as oil and water do. and sometimes butter too. But if we come together, similarities and differences alike, clinging to each other, I believe that we would find we were meant to be a team, a family, a delectable cookie with individual personalities all baked inside.